AWS Systems Manager Description. Automate and manage infrastructure on AWS. Prerequisites. AWS account. ING roles with permissions. Use cases. Patching. Configuration management. Automation. Inventory. Security. Remote access. Application management. Steps. Create an SSM document. Create an instance profile with SSM role. Attach instance profile to EC2 instance. Run SSM command or automation. Challenges and fixes. Permissions issues. Verify ING permissions. Create role with appropriate permissions. Connection issues. Check EC2 instance connectivity. Ensure SSM agent is running. Configure security groups. Check if EC2 instance is in a private subnet and if the SSM agent is properly configured with the right endpoint for communication. Ensure the EC2 instances have the appropriate inbound rules in their security groups to allow traffic from the SSM service. Document execution failures. Check for errors in SSM document. Review logs. Troubleshoot specific issues. Validate the SSM document syntax, parameter values, and dependencies. Inspect the SSM document execution logs for specific error messages and timestamps. Utilize the SSM document debugging features, including dry runs and error reporting mechanisms. Inventory data inconsistency. Run inventory collection manually. Check for inventory collection errors. Configure inventory settings. Trigger an inventory collection manually to refresh the data. Review the inventory collection logs for error messages or failed attempts. Modify the inventory collection schedule or frequency to increase data freshness. Automation workflow issues. Debug automation workflow. Review execution logs. Check dependencies. Utilize the SSM automation debugger to step through the workflow and identify issues. Examine the automation execution logs for error messages, timestamps, and resource states. Validate the automation dependencies, ensuring that all required resources and permissions are available. Security best practices. Implement security controls. Review and update security policies. Monitor security logs. Utilize the SSM security features, such as the ability to restrict access to specific users or roles. Review and update the security policies and settings for SSM to enhance security postures. Monitor the security logs for any suspicious activities or potential security breaches. Scalability and performance. Optimize SSM document execution. Use parallel execution. Configure resource limits. Refine the SSM document logic and code to improve efficiency and reduce execution time. Leverage the parallel execution capabilities of SSM to distribute work across multiple instances. Configure appropriate resource limits, such as concurrent execution limits, to prevent performance bottlenecks. Integration with other services. Integrate with CloudTrail. Dash. Connect with CloudWatch. Dash. Use AWS Lambda for custom integrations. Dash. Enable logging and auditing of SSM operations through CloudTrail integration. Dash. Monitor and analyze SSM metrics and events using CloudWatch integration. Dash. Develop custom integrations using AWS Lambda to extend SSM functionality. Dash. Cost optimization. Dash. Use reserved instances. Dash. Optimize resource allocation. Dash. Monitor and analyze cost data. Dash. Utilize reserved instances for EC2 instances that are frequently used by SSM. Dash. Ensure efficient resource allocation, avoiding over-provisioning or underutilization. Dash. Monitor and analyze cost data related to SSM operations to identify areas for optimization.